in the city, though, we were talking about it, Kate. It was just wet and cold and rainy and miserable.
Yeah, we saw some flakes flying at the onset, and then all of a sudden it was just rain, and nothing was really able, just a trace reported at the Philadelphia airport. At my house, we got a little slushy half-inch or so. My daughter was like, later today, can we go out and play in it? And I was like, you're not going to want to go out and play in it later today. It's just going to be a slushy, rainy mess, and that's exactly what it was. We may have another chance next week. We're watching a system. This will be the fourth in a line of storms. Now, keep in mind, we're tracking the second of four, and this is tomorrow's storm, which is all rain. Unfortunately, for snow lovers, you're not going to get it this time. 45 today, by the way, mostly sunny and seasonable. We're going to hit that quick and move into our storm coverage, which is this system you see right here, moving through portions of the southern plains, and you can see the heavy rain here, Kansas and Oklahoma. This is really blossoming, and there's a lot of moisture. It's just going to surge in along what we call kind of a low-level jet stream, or an area of moisture and wind in the lower levels of the atmosphere that's going to feed this storm as it moves east, and it's going to be bringing very, very heavy rainfall to our region. So here's what we have going on as far as watches. A flood watch has been issued for the entire area. Flood watch meaning streams, rivers, poor drainage areas, just localized aerial flooding. Then as we head down toward the Delaware River, there is also a coastal flood watch, which is different. That doesn't have anything to do with rain. That's about the water kind of pushing up into the mouth of the Delaware Bay and then right up the Delaware River, where it will likely breach its banks in some spots. A high wind watch has been issued for our coastal counties down through the shore points and in Delaware. I wouldn't be surprised to see a wind advisory issued for the city. These winds looking quite strong, although they may have some trouble mixing down to the surface. We could see gusts to near 50 miles an hour even inland. So here's tonight, 11 p.m. This storm really looking more impressive than it does now. Look at all the moisture just feeding into the system. Then it's going to start to pick up some moisture from the Atlantic as well. So as this moves east, it just has a ton of rain associated with it. The timing has sped up a little bit. If you were with us yesterday, we were looking at really 2 p.m. to 2 a.m. Now I think it's more of a noon to midnight kind of storm, at least the greatest impacts. This will likely start in our westernmost counties by about 8 or 9 tomorrow morning, but it's going to be relatively light rain, at least to start, and then it just gets heavier as the day goes on and the winds pick up as well. Heaviest rainfall will likely start just after the noon hour and continue into the evening commute. It is pouring, and by the time of the evening commute, many spots may have already seen an inch of rainfall. Then you've got the front, which is embedded within this system, a line of thunderstorms likely to come through about 7 or 8 o'clock with enhanced rainfall rates in any thunderstorm. Look at this, 9 o'clock. Heavy rain continuing, even some of the heaviest rain we've seen with this system at that point. In addition, on top of the rain that has already fallen, by about midnight tomorrow night, it is moving out, but we'll be dealing with the after effects of this system through the Wednesday commute time frame, because look at how much rain we could see from this system. A widespread 2 to 3 inches. Some spots could look at locally 4 inches of rain. So the ground is already saturated from several heavy rain events. Any snow melt to the north will add to the runoff threat, and there will be enhanced rainfall rates in any thunderstorm that does develop. In addition to the flooding concerns, there also will be the high winds, which could bring down tree branches, even trees, because the ground is so saturated, and lead to some power outages. So tomorrow is a next weather alert day. Worst of the impacts, again, noon to midnight, but we'll be dealing with residual flooding right through Wednesday's commutes, especially in the morning. Thursday, another little break, and then our next system Friday night into Saturday is a bit weaker, but could produce another ½ inch to 1 inch of rain, which could exacerbate some flooding concerns.